If YouTube is not recommending your videos, then worry no more. That is why I am here. I am going to show you a certain strategy that you can use, just to get YouTube to start recommending your videos to a lot of people, because you know that from YouTube recommendation comes a lot or a ton of views, if I should put it that way. Once YouTube recognizes that this video, is very good and it needs to get to a lot of people who are in need of whatever content you are preaching out there, that is your breakthrough. Because I've had that experience where YouTube recommended one of my videos from a different channel, not this one, and that got me tons of views. As it stands, that video is standing at around 860k views, which gave me over 5,000 subscribers. In fact, if I'm being blunt, it gave me over 7k subscribers and counting. So that is why I have taken this just to bring to your attention, so that we all get to grow together, get viral views, and at the end of the day, get monetized, and then see that dollar, that pounds, or whatever hard currency you are after by being on this platform. So let's meet at the other end of this video where I take you through this particular strategy step by step. I am the Virtual Giant, and on this channel, I share with you my strategies, my experiences while growing my YouTube channel, and that is why we are here. So if you're meeting me for the first time, make sure you like, subscribe, and then share with me your thoughts in the comment section so that we get to learn from each other, and then do the right things that will ensure that our channels grow and reach that monetization mark. Now, the strategy that I'm about to share with you happens when you have already recorded your video and uploaded it on YouTube. Now, after uploading, do not set it to public. Let the video be on unlisted. After you have put it on unlisted, you know that it wouldn't go live, wouldn't be public, so people wouldn't see, unless of course you send your link to someone to watch it. All right. Now what happens is that when it is set to unlisted, just tap on the share icon and then copy the link to that particular video which is unlisted. Here's how it gets interesting. You are going to go down to your browser, your favorite browser you use, be it Chrome or whatever. I use Chrome. So you go down to your Chrome and then search for your YouTube transcript. Now, what the YouTube transcript does is that whatever video link or YouTube video link you send to the transcript, it brings out whatever was said in that particular video in the form of text. So if you were to use this particular video that you're watching, okay, share the link with a transcript, it is going to bring out everything that I said, but it is going to put it in a text format. So once you use your video that is unlisted, you send the link there, it will transcribe everything that you have said in that particular video. So you get a text format of everything you mentioned in the video. So once you have generated the transcript of your video, you head over to ChatGPT. Now you can even use Microsoft Copilot. So in my case, I have the ChatGPT app, so I'm going to use that one. If you do not have the app, you can use the web version. That is, you go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use, and then head on to the ChatGPT website. Okay, so let's log on to mine. So once you are in ChatGPT, input the following prompt: generate a detailed SEO description for my YouTube video. Include keywords, timestamps, and hashtags based on the script below. So the script below will be the one that you copied from the YouTube transcript generator. You paste it there and then you press enter, and you would look on as ChatGPT generate a detailed description including keywords, timestamps, and then hashtags for this particular video. Now, once you are done with that, you go on ahead and copy everything that ChatGPT provided for you. You go back to your YouTube studio and then go on to edit, and inside the description box, you paste everything there. And once you do that, you have in a way optimized your YouTube video for search engines, for viral views, etc. Even after that, you can still go back to ChatGPT and tell it or prompt it that based on the script provided, it should give you a befitting title. And trust me, ChatGPT is going to consider the script and then give you a title that will match everything that it has provided for you already. So if you like the title, you copy it. If you have issues with the title, sometimes the titles may look too AI, kind of thing. So you can tell ChatGPT, this is too artificial, or this looks like it is strictly AI. Make it or give it a human feel or a human touch, and it's going to do that for you. So you get, a more humanized title, which you can use for your video if you do not have one already. Now, when you have done everything and then, updated or edited the title, the description, inserted the hashtags, everything, you can now switch on from unlisted and then set your video to public. Now sit back, relax, and see the magic that happens with your videos, and that is going to get you viral views, and you are not going to understand it, but it is just these simple strategies that you implemented on your channel that earned you that kind of views. So if you found this educative, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.